In this video, we're going to talk about how the size and quality of aggregates seriously affect concrete strength, and why getting the grading, cleanliness, and shape right is a total game changer for your project. When you're mixing up concrete, the aggregate, basically the gravel or crushed stone, plays a huge role in how strong and durable your concrete turns out. First off, make sure your aggregate is properly graded, meaning it has a good mix of different sizes, so it packs tightly with less void space. If you just use one size, your concrete might be weaker because there's too much empty space between particles. Next, you gotta check the cleanliness of the aggregate. Any dirt, clay, or organic stuff can mess with the cement bonding and lower your mix's strength. Also, the shape of the aggregate matters. Rounded stones tend to make the mix easier to work with, but might not lock together as well as angular or crushed stones, which provide better mechanical interlock. When you're mixing, keep an eye on water content too, since too much water for the aggregate size can weaken things up. Always try to source your aggregate from trusted suppliers who test for quality regularly. If you do these things right, your concrete will be stronger and last way longer, which saves you time and money down the road. One of the biggest mistakes I see with concrete strength is using poorly graded aggregate that's all one size, like just big stones or just sand, which ends up creating weak spots in the concrete. Another common issue is dirty aggregate. Sometimes people don't rinse or inspect their materials, and that dirt prevents proper bonding with the cement paste. Lastly, using rounded aggregates when angular ones would work better can cause your concrete to be less durable because the particles don't grip each other as tightly. To fix these, always ask for grading charts from your supplier to make sure your aggregate mix is balanced. Wash your aggregate if you suspect dirt or clay contamination before mixing. And pick angular or crushed stone for projects where strength is critical, like foundations or driveways. If you're tackling a big home project, bighomeprojects.com is super helpful. They connect homeowners like you with reliable local contractors who know their stuff. Contractors also get a boost finding steady work through their platform, making it easier for everyone to get projects done right without stress.